Alright, let's dive into the world of web development in 2024. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Can you imagine a world without websites and apps? Neither can I. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The challenges that often overwhelm beginners in the vast world of web development. From deciphering complex languages to grasping new technologies, it can be quite daunting. But fear not, we've got your back. Exploration development. Let's break it down, shall we? First up, we have HTML, the backbone of every web page. Then, there's CSS, the style guru that makes everything look visually appealing. And of course, JavaScript, the dynamic powerhouse that brings interactivity to websites. Together they form the holy trinity of web development. Climax, key moment. Now, brace yourselves for the game changer. Frameworks like React and Angular. These babies not only streamline the development process, but also elevate the user experience to a whole new level. Say hello to efficiency and creativity at its finest. Conclusion, summary. To all the beginners out there, remember this: practice makes perfect. Whether you're coding your first website or diving into a complex project, consistency and continuous learning are key. So, keep at it and watch yourself grow into a web development pro. Call to action, CTA. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful. And hey, why not explore more web development tutorials on our channel? Share your progress in the comments below, and let's build an inspiring community of tech enthusiasts together. There you have it, the ultimate web development guide for beginners in 2024. Stay curious, keep coding, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy coding, folks!